pagi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Maimunah. Saya dari Universitas Muhammadiyah Jember. Hari ini saya mau mempresentasikan tentang artikel kami yang berjudul The Impulse of Competence of Performance with Motivation as an Interpreting Variable in General Hospital. Introduction. Hospital plays important role in provide optimal healthy service to the community as stipulated in Law number 44 of 2009. However, the success of hospitality is highly dependent on the performance of the employee who carry out the various tasks. In order to move toward a hospital that was implement to use this hospital management or information system, hospital management must be able to follow technology development by continuously improving individual performance and organization performance. Based on the result, Dr. Haji Kuswandi Bondowoso Hospital Employee Performance Assessment in 2020, many departments have not reached the 100 target. In addition, they are still inconsistent results related to competency variable and performance, which is still have inconsistent results based on the problems that have been presented. The purpose of the study is to determine the effect of the competence on performance with motivation as a interpreting variable in Dr. Haji Kuswandi Bondowoso Hospital. The next is literature review. According to Wibowo, the definition of competency is ability to carry out our performance, a job or task based on the skill and knowledge and support by the work attitude required by the job. The second work motivation is drive a worker in carrying out activities in company to work better. Mangkunegara said, explain the mean of the performance has work result in term in quality and quality except by an employee in carry out the duties and according with the responsibility given to him. Conceptual framework is competence is X, motivation is Z, performance is Y. Research method. This research is quantitative research and quality research is research that try to expand the describe the condition of each variable in detail and see the relation between their variable using data in the measure the number of mathematic model, the set of Sugiono. Population or the employee at hospital Dr. Haji Kuswandi Bondowoso in total is 374 employee, and the number of sample was determined by the Slovene formula with error data 10%, which was known that the number was 1919 round up to 1,000 respondents. Data knowledge technique measure instructed test in inflow of the validity test and reliability test, also hypothesis test we carry on at this study. And then data analysis is descriptive analysis. The result, the first from the table is mean that employee competence is significant influence of the employee working motivation is proved the true or H1 is accept. It can be include that the deploying employment competency with the employee increasing knowledge, deploying skill, increasing performance value, and performing positive attitude. It can be effective strategy to increase employee work motivation as RSUD. The second, the result of analyze so that the main influence of the employee competency variable X and employee performance is Y through H2, which state that competence has the impact on the performance is accepted and the H0 is rejected. Competence is very important in employment performance in organization. Employee will be easily complete to tasks and their burn if they have the competence in their field. The result of the test have been included show that the work motivation is Z, has the impact on employee performance is Y. It means that H3, which that state the work motivation is significant effect on employee performance is accepted. Based on the four hypotheses that indirect effect to employee competencies variable X on the employee performance is Y through the interpreting variable work motivation is Z is 0.298 less than the direct effect to the employee competence in variable X on the employee performance variable Y is which is 0.416. It can be this state that the work XY and employee competency X2 employee competence is Z affect employee performance is Y through work motivation is Z. It's a similar value that a direct effect. Conclusion and suggestion that the conclusion that can be conveyed after the result are competency has the impact on the work motivation and employee performance. Work motivation has a positive and significant effect on the employee performance. Employee competency has been positive and significant effect to a performance through work motivation. The suggestion can be conveyed to RSUD Dr. Haji Kuswandi Bondowoso included the first, continue training and deployment program to improve the employee competency, including knowledge, skill, value, and attitudes, and ensure that employees have the sufficient result to continue to improve the professionalism. The second, recognize and appreciate that the contribute of the employee who demonstrate high work motivation. Implement recognition or incentive program that can motivation employee to achieve their best performance. The third, increase education, support, and development for employee as a motivation factor. That's all presentation for me. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good day. Thank you.